I'm Megan Molten. Welcome to my home, the Mod Pod. Today I'm going to show you how to put together a floral arrangement with the holiday theme in mind. So we chose a very Mod Pod Christmas for my theme for my floral arrangements, which means I really am thinking about the color palette that I want to use. So we have a lot of greenery, a lot of golds, and this really pretty champagne color that I'm picking up through the pampas grass. I love mixing in real flowers. A great resource for that is Trader Joe's. They always have a great selection. And then faux stems. We have a wonderful selection available on our shop. They make your arrangement a little bit fuller and of course make it last longer. So you want to think about mixing in different colors and different heights. So for my tallest height piece, I'm going to be using the faux pampas grass. And that's going to actually make it be more cohesive with some of the other pampas grass that I have throughout my home. And then also mixing in different colors. So we chose to do this darker purple color with some white. So you have some contrast in your arrangement. And then last is having that really pretty full green piece. So we chose these two items to kind of give it some different texture and fullness. One very important thing when it comes to floral arrangements is your vase. So I chose a larger vase for my kitchen island because I have a very big kitchen island and I also wanted it to have some height. Also, the opening of the vase is really important. You don't want too wide of an opening so that it can kind of hold all of your pieces together nicely. And then last is also the color of the vase. Clear vases are beautiful and have their right purpose, but I feel like a colored vase like white or black hides everything inside the stems that you don't really want to see. So that's why white is my absolute favorite vase. So you have your beautiful holiday floral arrangement. And of course, you can always shop all of the vases and the faux stems online at meganmolten.com or come see us at our shop. Merry Christmas, y'all.